Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of the universe and the latest advancements in technology that allowed us to uncover them? When scientists planned and designed the Hubble Space Telescope, the most groundbreaking astronomical observatory of its era, there were many things about the universe they didn't know. One of these unknowns was that stars and galaxies existed already a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The James Webb Space Telescope was poised to correct this and many other misconceptions about the universe. Welcome to PrimeTime TV, your source for all things space and astronomy. Today, we take a closer look at one of the most highly anticipated astronomical observatories of our time, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The JWST was launched in 2021 and promised to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, correcting many of the misconceptions we currently hold. So, what are some of the things the JWST revealed? Let's find out. Number 5. Untangling early star and galaxy formation. It was the Wide Field Camera 3 that opened some of the best views into the early universe. But the JWST, according to its project scientist Matt Mountain, was positioned to surpass that legacy. The JWST's near-infrared camera, NIR-CAM, and the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, would have allowed scientists to observe the early universe in a way that had never been possible before. When it comes to these distant galaxies, the Wide Field Camera 3 runs out of wavelength, said Mountain. Some of those detections get kind of iffy, and it would have been very interesting to see which ones turned out to be right. JWST would have been able to do that kind of thing, to say exactly that we see this particular galaxy 250 million years after the Big Bang. Number 4. The chemical evolution of the universe. Olivia Jones, a JWST scientist at the Royal Observatory in Edinburgh, was most interested in what happens when these early stars die, releasing their material into their surroundings to give birth to new stars. Astronomers knew that the early universe had a very different chemical composition from what we see today. It consisted only of hydrogen, helium, and a little bit of lithium. All the other chemical elements that we see now, including those that make life possible, were cooked up throughout eons inside those stars. The JWST spectroscopes was able to probe the chemical kitchens of those early galaxies, seeing what was cooking inside individual stars and what they fertilized the wider cosmos with when they exploded in powerful supernovas. This has given us a much better understanding of how the universe evolved chemically and how the elements that make up our world came to be. Spectroscopy is the real power of JWST, said Jones. We typically see this process on galactic scales, but with JWST, we have such a high resolution that we will be able to view individual objects. Number 3. Peering through dust into the hearts of star-forming regions. One of the most exciting things about the JWST is its ability to see through the dust clouds that often obscure our view of star-forming regions. This allowed scientists to study the earliest stages of star formation in great detail and understand how stars like our Sun came to be. The JWST's near-infrared camera, NIR-CAM, and the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, detected the heat emanating from these forming stars, even if they were hidden from view by dust. The JWST's ability to see through dust clouds has been a game-changer for our understanding of star formation, said astronomer Mark McCorrine. We are able to study the earliest stages of star formation in great detail and understand how stars like our Sun came to be. Number 2. The outer solar system. The JWST also revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system. Its powerful instruments have detected the faint light from distant objects like Kuiper Belt objects and the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. This allowed scientists to study these distant worlds in greater detail than ever before and learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. The JWST helped us see further into the outer solar system than any other telescope before it, said planetary scientist Carly Howitt. This has given us a much better understanding of the formation and evolution of our solar system and the objects that call it home. Number 1. Exoplanets. One of the most exciting things about the JWST is its ability to study exoplanets, or planets that orbit other stars. The JWST's powerful instruments were able to detect the faint light from these distant worlds and study their atmospheres in great detail. This allowed scientists to search for signs of life on other planets and learn more about the diversity of worlds that exist beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope has been a game-changer for astronomical research, allowing us to peer further into the past and uncover secrets about the universe that were previously unknowable. From untangling early star and galaxy formation to understanding the chemical evolution of the universe, JWST would have provided us with valuable insights that will help us understand our place in the cosmos. Now that we know what JWST has revealed, it makes us even more eager for the next generation telescope that will launch in the future. Want to stay informed about the latest space and astronomy news? Follow us on PrimeTime TV and subscribe to our channel for regular updates.